activation of the Amber Alert system. The Wapato Police Department is looking for a child last seen in Wapato who may be in danger. The child is Melody Lopez, a 3-year-old Hispanic female with black hair and brown eyes, 2 foot, 11 inches tall, weighing 40 pounds, last seen wearing a white and red striped shirt with gray leggings. She may be in the company of her father, Jose Lopez Madrigal, a 32-year-old Hispanic male with black hair and brown eyes, 5 feet, 7 inches tall, weighing 150 pounds with a distinct mustache wearing a gray and black baseball cap. They may be in a blue 1999 Honda Odyssey with Washington license ANH1733. The father is believed to be suicidal. If you have any information on this incident, please call 911 or contact the Wapato Police Department at 509-877-4275.
This concludes this test of the emergency alerts.
A week or two ago. I can't even remember. So quite frankly, I was under the